Okay, so here it has been told that a trust has rupees 30,000 that must be invested in two different types of uh, bo- bo- uh, 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 bonds. The first bond pays 5% interest per year, and the second bond pays 7% interest per year. Using matrix multiplication, determine how to divide rupees 30,000 among the two types of o- 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 bonds if the trust fund must obtain an annual total interest of rupees 18,000 and rupees 20,000. So here, how to solve it? So let the investment. So here we have two different types of bonds. Two bonds we are having. Suppose it is the first bond and the second bond. So the trust fund is rupees 30,000, and which should be invested in the two different types of two pop- bonds, the first bond and the second bond. And so if the investment in the first bond is rupees X, then the investment in the second bond should be rupees 30,000 minus X. So here it is told that the first bond pays 5% interest per year. So 5% simple interest per year. And the second bond, it pays 7% simple interest per year. So here, using matrix multiplication, we have to find how to divide this entire trust fund, rupees 30,000, among the two types of bonds. So if the trust fund must obtain an annual interest of this and this, okay. So here we shall say that let the investment in the first bond be rupees X, and so in the so the investment in the second bond will be, so the investment in the second bond will be rupees 30,000 minus X. So now therefore the matrix therefore the m- matrix for the investments in the first bond and the second bond is, let's say it is A, that will be X and 30,000 minus X. So we are using a row matrix. So it is a 1 across 2 matrix, since it has one row and 2 columns. Now therefore, now the matrix of the annual interest, the matrix for the annual interest, let's say that is B, that will be 5%, means 5 by 100, and this is 7%, this is 7 by 100. Therefore, we can say that the matrix for the total annual interest, matrix for the annual total interest, matrix for the annual total interest will be AB, the matrix AB, which will be equal to X. So the matrix B is a column matrix since it has 2 rows and 1 column. Therefore, the order of the matrix AB will be 1 cross 1. It means it has only one element. So it will be X in X 30,000. Sorry, this is 30,000 minus X into 5 by 100 and 7 by 100. So this will be equal to 5x by 100 plus 7 by 100 into 30,000 minus x. So only one element it will have. So therefore, if we simplify it, then we will get it is the LCM will be 100 and this will be 7 3 21. So this is 2,10,000 minus 7x plus 5x, that is minus 2x divided by 100. So this is the single element. And so now in the first part, in the part 8 has been told, if the trust fund is 18,000, no, means if the annual total interest is rupees 18,000, then how should the trust fund be divided in the two bonds? So therefore, it means that in the first part, this total annual interest, which is 2,10,000 minus 2x by 100, that should be equal to 1,800. So therefore 2,10,000 minus 2x, that should be equal to 18. Okay, is 1,80,000. So therefore 2x, that will be equal to 2,10,000 minus 1,80,000. So therefore this 2x, that will be equal to 30,000. X, so x will be equal to 15,000. So for the, here we should say that for the uh, total annual interest, for the total annual interest to be rupees 1,800, 1,800, there should be an equal investment of 15,000 in each of the two bonds. Okay, so there should be an equal investments. There should be an equal investments in the two bonds, which is rupees 15,000. And in part B, it has been told that this 2,10,000 minus 2x by 100, that should be equal to 2,000. That should be equal to 2,000. So then 2,10,000 minus 2x, that should be equal to 2 lakh. So therefore 2x, that should be equal to 10,000. So therefore x should be equal to 5,000. It means what? It means in the first bond, the investment should be rupees 5,000, and the second bond, the investment should be the remaining 25,000. So therefore, for this part, the answer is for the total annual interest, to be rupees 2,000, uh, the investment should be rupees 5,000 in the first bond, and rupees 25,000 means the remaining 25,000 in the second bond. So this is the final answer. Thank you.